I simply, or breathe simply, I should say, merv filters, merv 8 filters. And the reason why I got this is that I have a HVAC at home and I needed to change the filter. That's the filter right there. It actually comes in 6. My son Jonah is holding one right here. So you can see it has the filter on one side here and then the other side with the wiring. And the reason why is because there's a direction, so you can see the airflow. So your airflow goes a certain way, so it looks like it's going to help reinforce the filter from bending. When the airflow goes that way and hits this, it'll keep it from bending. And these filters, this is the merv 8, so they come in different, that's upside down, but they come in different mervs. These are ratings for filters, and the higher the merv, the more filtration they have. But the issue with that is that they also make the HVAC work harder. So it's up to you how you want to do anything. I like to go with a merv 8. I change these filters out. It's recommended 90 days. You can do it less depending on how dusty it is. I'm gonna pull up another filter so you can see how the old one looks like, and you can compare. But merv 8's when I want to go. You can go higher, and the higher ones, they'll last longer. They'll have better filtration, but again, it puts more stress on your HVAC. So that's up to you. You can look up those ratings. And also, there we go. So we'll go in the garage, and we're gonna yank the other one and then go from there. To my HVAC filter location here on this box. Again, you gotta look at the size of your old filter so you can get the right size.
Can these wires
So
shotgun?
this one's only if it's on. We took it off. So we'll see how dirty this is. This looks dirty on this side already. So the airflow goes upward on this one, Jonah.
Oh, I see.
Okay, that's why the metal things go that way.
It's all black.
That's just the other side. That's not even the side that airflow goes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you can see how dirty that is. Go ahead and put this one next to it. Look at the color difference on the filter. That's dirty, so this is time to really go. It did its filtering. This was white. Now it's not white. So yeah, that's why we have to change it.